What if I told you that you don't need a $2,000 hardware synth to get a blockbuster cinematic sound? Today I'm showing you 3 amazing professional grade plugins that are completely free in 2026. One of these is the most anticipated synth of the decade. With that being said, let's get into it. We are reviewing the Zebralette 3, Steinberg Xtreme, and the all-new Splice Instruments. So if you've been struggling to get your mixes to sound expensive without spending a dime, this video is your roadmap to pro sound for $0. First up is the most anticipated release of the decade, Zebralette 3. While it is technically the little brother to the upcoming Zebra 3, don't let that fool you. This is a single spectral oscillator environment that functions as a complete synthesizer. The technical breakthrough here is the spline-based oscillator editor. So instead of traditional point editing, you are using vector graphic logic to create smooth, curved transitions for your waveforms, and you can actually morph between waveform snapshots and export them as .wave wavetables for use in other synths like the Serum. When you combine this with the multi-segment envelope generator MSG, you can design evolving cinematic textures that breathe and move in ways standard free synths simply can't match. So here is a quick question. Which of these 3 plugins are you most excited to download? Drop a 1 for Zebralette, 2 for Xtreme, and 3 for Splice in the comments below right now. I'm replying to the first 30 comments to help you with your setup issues. So let's check it out. Next is a new paradigm in spectral sound design, Steinberg Xtreme. This plugin allows you to drag and drop any sample, be it a vocal, a car noise, any sample at all you captured anywhere, or even a synth block, and transform it into a massive wall of sound using spectral resynthesis. The blur and the stack feature, as you can see on the screen, are the stars in this plugin. They act like a sonic prism, revealing hidden tonal shades through extreme time stretching and pitch modulation. It is perfect for dark ambient drones and game audio. And here is my fair warning. The installation via the Steinberg download assistance is notoriously complex. So I've put together a survival guide, the link in the description, to help you navigate the installation or registration process without encountering those headaches. So let's put it to work so that you can hear it in action. Finally, we have the official successor to the legendary Spitfire LABS by Splice Instruments. This is now the permanent home for the beloved library, but with a major upgrade. It is significantly more CPU efficient and features a redesigned interface for faster layering. With over 500 free presets at launch, the real value is the free drops model. Splice is currently releasing premium artist presets. Okay, so if you grab them during the drop, they are yours to keep forever. So make sure not to miss out on this. This plugin is an absolute must-have, in my own opinion, for anyone doing lo-fi, pop, or organic scoring in this 2026. So let's check them out now. And if you are for some reason having trouble with the Steinberg installation, click the survival playlist on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, stay updated for amazing contents and freebies like this. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.